it's like she's a first-time client, so she was like trying to make sure like, oh, what type of barber shop is this? Can you guys do kids cuts and stuff? And then she's like, how you been? What's your name? Yeah, so my son, she started talking to me in conversation. I'm like, gotta take care of my client.
Word. I've been with Gucci. How your day going?
What up, y'all? My day's going great. Back in the shop, vacating, so just getting back into the groove, yo. Keeping everything fresh.
People have been talking about not being able to hear me in these videos, so I did a little research, and apparently I wasn't editing my audio for real. And that's no bueno. That's no bueno at all. So, you guys reached the, oh goodness. Oh, it is hot as, it's hot as all hell in here. You guys reached the 20 like limit. So, you get to see what the difference between a fading technique and a blending technique is. It's kind of in the definition, and Ivan responded on Instagram, like she said what the answer was. I didn't respond to her because I didn't want people to know if it was right or not. But ultimately, fading is gradual change, like tapering is gradual change. Basically from light to dark is what we know. But blending would be merging things together. So you fade within a guard and you blend between them. What are your thoughts on quote-unquote female barbers? What are the experiences you've had?
For me, it was different. Like,
yeah,
I guess because I have more of like a male, I don't even know what to describe it, but like, I don't know, come off a little more stronger than an average female or quote-unquote female would.
Yeah.
So I never really had an issue in this space because I had posture.
Okay.
And I mean, you get
like
the
a
whole
level of confidence.
You get yeah, my confidence was high. You get the comment of like, oh, she can cut, you know, like, or oh, her, you nice. Never had a girl cut my hair before.
Word.
But I always just be like, all right, great, I'm happy to be the first one.
Yeah.
You know, like,
and it's whatever.
I never really like let it bother me. And I'm not the female who has heels on while cutting, so I'm sure for those type of women, it's different.
Yeah.
So it's hard for me to speak on that topic, but I do, however, don't like the terminology of female barber.
Some female barbers are nicer than any barber, you feel me, than most male barbers.
Stay Gold is one of my favorite barbers ever.
And at the same time, it's not like it's the NBA, WNBA, where like literally physically, genetically, the man is, you know what I mean, 7 foot tall, could dunk easily. Physically, WNBA is completely different from NBA. When it comes to barbering, we don't have that problem. There's not a creative boundary, so you don't need female barbers on this side, male barbers on this side.
Yeah.
It could be mixed, and there should be no problem with that. So I agree with you with that.
Like skill-wise, I don't think there should be a separation, but maybe like performance, like physically, that's just the laws of the world, like the law of humanity. Like
at the end of the day, we don't need to separate it. It should be like like anything. Women's and men's.
Can y'all stop the whole female category? Best female barber, please.
Yeah,
delete
I mean,
that off the
female barber. There is no real difference, bro. They're creative. They're nice, just the same. Just as personable. Actually, it's my first time really working with 2 female barbers, and honestly, they're 2 of the best barbers I've ever worked with. So it shouldn't be oh, she's a female barber. Nah, it's about that time that we broke that as a category, and it's just a barber. She's a dope barber. Now she's a dope female barber.
But I've never really done too much research to really understand it because I don't let it affect me. I just live life. I just, oh man. And then I have a good friend of mine who has a platform for women. Her chair, his hair. Shout out to Cassie. And I
always mix those up. Her chair.
Her chair, his hair.
Her chair.
Her chair, his
that
hair.
didn't ever mess you up? Like, I always...
It did at first. When I met her, I was like, what's that thing called again? But it kind of just rolls off the tongue after a while. And like I support it, like it's cool. I just hate that it has to be like that, you know? Like I don't.
So what's the goal of that then? Because that is kind of saying female barber too.
Exactly, and it is.
So what's the goal of that? Because I'm sure she has a problem with that too.
The goal for that is giving women a space to showcase their work and to emphasize and give them a platform where they can be recognized.
Right.
And I respect people who take pride in their female barber position, and I respect those who don't give a fuck like me. Yeah. Like.
What's weird to me is like barbering, being good at being a barber, it's fully based on your ability to like to see.
Yeah.
You know, so it's like for me to say a female barber or a male barber is like a female can't see as well. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That doesn't make sense. We both got eyes. So it's like if I can see it.
Women have better eye than men. So if we're gonna go down to the science of it,
I don't know what Kev's talking about.
Nah, if we're gonna get scientific and if it's about genetics, women are actually better at paying attention to detail. There shouldn't be as many categories as there are, bro. There's so many categories for everything. It's almost like they want to put us in a box to try and understand where we come from. But it's like you just can't do that. Just because you labeled me Spanish, it doesn't really mean like maybe it means I could dance a little bit, but it doesn't mean anything really, bro.
Best black barber, best Puerto Rican barber.
Right, you might as well start throwing in like who's the best 5'8" barber? Like it really some categories are foolish, man.
All right, so it's the end of my day. Don't drink soda, kids. But I thought it'd be dope to talk about, you know, the term female barbers today. And if you had any disagreements or agreements, let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to hear what you guys think. I was just thinking on it, and I wanted to hear what Ivan and there's another girl who works with us, Crystal. We're gonna get her feedback on it another time. But I was just thinking about it today, and I wanted to see what it was. I don't want to post a video. People have been talking about my sound on here. I got a very expensive mic, but what I don't have is very expensive skills. So I have to improve on my audio editing, and you know, your boy is gonna improve on that. And if you didn't notice, there's a new look on this video, and this look, like the color scheme and everything, dope. New things coming up on the video. Oh, and what's today? By the 7th, which is a Sunday, for you guys who see the clothing at the bottom of the video, that's gonna be gone. I was just working with Teespring, and I don't want to use their system anymore. So from now on, there's gonna be exclusive drops for people who see the videos, people who are on Instagram. I'm designing a new shirt coming up soon. There's gonna be a new design coming up soon, and what you see is done. So get it while you can, because it's gonna be the last time that's ever gonna be there. The Barber's Table merch, or the Barber's merch, is gonna be revamped. We're gonna redo it and improve it so that those who want to support this channel can support in that way. And yeah, thank you guys for watching today's video. I can't wait to read the comments and see the input. But yeah, see you guys in the next one.